Okay, for 4b, we're told that after 7 seconds, the airplane passes through some point B. For number 1, we want to find the coordinates of B, and for number 2, we want to find the distance the airplane has traveled during those 7 seconds. So here again is my vector equation for this airplane. And if I want to find the coordinates of point B, all I need to think about is what 7 seconds means. And 7 seconds is when this P equals 7. So let's figure that out. The position vector xyz is going to equal 3, negative 4, 0, plus 7 times the velocity vector, negative 2, 3, 1. And this is going to be equal to 3, negative 4, 0, plus, let's multiply this scalar by all the components. So that would be negative 14, 21, and 7. And if I combine all that, I get the vector negative 11, that'll be 17, and 7. If I want to find the coordinates of B, all I need to do is I need to write this as a coordinate. So this will be negative 11, comma 17, comma 7. For number 2, I need to find the distance that the airplane has traveled in those 7 seconds. So there's a couple different ways you could do this. You could take the coordinate B and subtract coordinate A and find that distance and find the magnitude. But if you think about what we did right here, I multiplied 7 seconds times the velocity vector. So this vector right here actually is the distance, or the displacement vector, after 7 seconds. So really, if I just take the magnitude of this, that'll get me the distance the airplane has traveled in those 7 seconds. So let's do that. Let's take the magnitude of this vector. So that's going to equal the square root of negative 14 squared plus 21 squared plus 7 squared. So if I work that out, I believe that 14 squared, let me grab my calculator here, I think that's 14 squared is 196, plus 21 squared is 441, and plus 7 squared, which is 49. So this is going to equal the square root of 686. And this comes out to be some decimal approximation. Let's find out what that's going to be. I want the square root of 686. And that is approximately 26.191 meters. So that is the distance that this plane has traveled in about 7 seconds.